I fell into a world I had no clue existed. And I feel even if I did know it existed, I never would have felt I could be a part of it. And I want y'all to know you can. You absolutely can.
Stephanie is having a huge impact on girls and their future development. I've had the opportunity to watch her really grow this organization in about the last 18 months, and she's on fire.
We cannot wait to see what else you are going to come up with. Even today, they've already been asking, like, how do I get in this job? And they've found things that they have enjoyed just doing a little bit of. And so it's really exciting to see their eyes open up and the excitement that they have to do something that they never even knew was imaginable.
Stephanie, keep doing a fantastic job. 100% support everything you do, not only myself personally, but Sandra Central College. We think you're doing phenomenal work. And I can't speak enough about what you're doing and how that impacts and changes these young ladies' lives.
Let's just run.
Like this because from my experience and what my mom tells me, they didn't have these resources when they were younger. So this one's for the gals. This whole convention, I feel like it is just setting us up for success in the future. It's giving us the tools that we need.
Yeah, I think it's important that every girl gets a chance in every industry. I never knew that I had so many chances in the world.
I believe it's really, really inspiring, especially for us, the younger girls out here.
You create friendships, you get more learning skills, team bonding.
I'd never seen one of those before behind me. And over there, I just saw a fire truck put out fires at plants. I'd never seen any of that before, and it shocked me, and it was really cool to see. But you need to come in wanting to see people, wanting to meet people, wanting to make connections. This is how you network, and it's really nice to be able to learn from these people here.
I think it's wonderful what she's doing. I think it's incredible, especially coming from our area is much more low income.
I would 100% recommend. I've gotten to move out at 19. I got my own apartment. We're trying to buy a house. I'm only 20. And it's just amazing. I don't think I would be here without Stephanie, without learning all the different possibilities and opportunities I'd have.
Come with a completely blank mind. Wake up in the morning and don't even think about it. Just get on the bus, get here, and then open your eyes. You will be absolutely starstruck with the just atmosphere, the girls you'll meet, the women you'll see. You get to be that person every single step of that day, and you get to enjoy it fully.
So let's just run.